The light evening rain had made the city wet, and the smell of damp soil was in the air. Peter walked among the people, a man who for years had lived like others, not like himself. He bought his clothes based on others' opinions. He chose his job because of his family. Even his smile seemed planned. It was as if someone else was controlling his life. People said, "This is better. He did it. This suits you." He accepted it. But inside, he always felt pressure. Not from work, from playing a role every day. Sometimes he thought, if I am gone tomorrow, will anyone miss the real me or only the role I played? One evening, while walking home from work with a busy mind, he saw something that stopped his thoughts. In the city square, a young man with strange clothes was sitting with headphones on. He was singing loudly, moving his feet and laughing. People around whispered, "This is stupid. Look at his face. He has no manners." Peter stopped. He expected the young man to feel ashamed, to become quiet, to give up, but he did not. Instead, he sang louder. He laughed freely. He started to move. He did not care about anyone. Peter understood at that moment. The problem was not this young man. The problem was himself. He said to himself, "I have been afraid of these looks for years, and he does not even see them." That night, Peter stood in front of the mirror and looked at his face. He saw a man who had put his life behind so others could go ahead. He whispered, "Peter, how many years have you postponed your life?" The next morning, he wore the clothes he liked, not the ones that seemed right. He walked to work. He listened to his favorite music. When he needed to say no, he said it. With fear, but he said it. What happened? Nothing special happened. No disaster. No big problem. No end of the world. Only one thing changed. The pressure was gone. Walking no longer felt like running away. He understood that fear is big only in the mind. In real life, it is smaller than we think. From that day on, Peter did not live for people, not because of hate, but because he understood that living that way meant slowly losing himself. And whenever he doubted, he remembered the young man in the square, someone who knew one thing well: living for yourself, not for people's opinions. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe so you don't miss the next ones. These stories help you grow your English skills and your mind. Subscribe and join us to make progress step by step. Stay tuned for more stories.